You see this channel? It's making $19,000 per month. And this, and this, and this, and also this. Let's take a look at the videos they make.
R is the great river, but then he turned aside. He was not daunted.
So, what do you think? They are literally making thousands of dollars without much effort. They are spending $0 using free AI tools for video creation, editing, ideas, and voiceovers. And you know what's the best part? There is absolutely zero competition right now. So the best time to start would be now. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to create a channel, no affiliates, not trying to sell a course, absolutely free from scratch until you start earning. Make sure to stay until the end of this video. First, you need to choose a channel name. Make sure that it's unique, simple, and not too long. You can create it with ChatGPT by asking for YouTube channel ideas related to your niche. There are various niches like horror, funny stories, kids' tales, or anything you like. Let's say you want the horror stories niche, select a name you like, and create the channel. Now, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a story about anything you like. Today, we will choose a scary old man, for example. Then it will provide you with this story. But wait, we are not done yet. I want you to ask it as follows. Make a list of the characters for this story and whether they are scary or not. See? It named all of them. Now to the third step is to make the videos. Go to Google and search for Bing Image Creator. There are several websites you can use, such as Leonardo.ai, but I prefer Bing. You can find all the links in the description below. Now, let's generate the characters we asked about earlier using ChatGPT. We will see who they are and whether they are scary or not, and generate an image. The first character was a scary old man, so we will generate an image of a scary old man. It will really generate good images. Feel free to ask again to get to the best images if you didn't like them from the first time. Then we will move on to the second. It was a boy and he is not scary. And third character was just a group of peaceful villagers. As I said before, you can generate 100 images without paying a dime. So feel free to generate as many as you want until you find the best images you like, and that will be it. Now the voiceover. If you like the video so far, hit the like and subscribe button for more. There are a lot of websites you can use for free, and you can also clone your own voice using this website. You can also use this website called Speechify, where you can change the voice as you like. You can make it angry, calm, cheerful, or anything you like, which is really cool. I will choose Play.ht website to make my voiceover. Go to it and sign in, then select the voice you like the most. There are plenty of voices you can use. I liked this voice, so I'm going to use it. Copy and paste the story from ChatGPT, then click here to generate the voice. And there you have it, a perfect free voice for our video. Now that we have the images, voice recordings, and the story, let's move on to the final step, editing the video. Don't worry, even if it's your very first time editing a video, it won't take much time. Just pay attention to all the steps. You can use whatever software you are familiar with, but I will use Canva because I think it's the easiest for editing. Google it, then sign in. It's completely free, so relax. Then, click Create a Design. Then search for Video. Start by uploading the images and the voice recordings we made. Now that you're done uploading everything, grab the images and place them on the timeline. You may notice a small problem where the images don't cover the whole frame, but don't worry, I have a solution for this. I want you to grab two of the same images that we made and place them on the edges like this. Try to make them as equal as possible. Select the image on the left, then click Edit Photo. You will find the blur effect below. Click on it and adjust the intensity to 50%. You can increase or decrease it, but keep it within the range of 20 to 85. Go back and make the same steps on the second image and make sure it also has the same blur intensity. Then grab the same image but without the blur effect and place it in the middle between the two images like this. There is also a great feature in Canva that you can take advantage of. You can edit the photo to increase its temperature, contrast, add shadows, highlights, change the color, and much more things that might enhance the quality of your video and make it much better. So feel free to edit the images as you like and be creative. Now we will apply all of these techniques to all the images that we generated. Then you will grab your voice and place it on the audio timeline here. And now we have our beautiful video. And that will be it. You see? I told you it's much easier than you think. And yes, we almost forgot something. We need a background music for our video. It will make it much better. And don't worry, we will not receive a copyright strike. You can get the music for free from YouTube, but first, you should find music that fits your story type. My story is horror, so I will search for horror background music and type copyright free or royalty free, find the one you like, then copy the link of the video. Next, go to Google and search for download YouTube MP3. I will just use the first website that pops up, then paste the video link, click convert, and download the file, and now we have everything done. Let me show you a brief clip from the video I created.
And the villagers found him quite terrifying. He had a long, messy beard, twisted fingers, and eyes that seemed empty.
And here's a quick tip for you guys. You can add automatic captions to your video, just like I did, using this free website without watermarks. That wraps up today's video. I'll be answering all the comments. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.